Geobear is in the business of helping its client with cracks on the walls, cracks on foundations, sinkholes, voids in the ground, water control issues, various other items of ground engineering, both in buildings and infrastructure, which cause delays to fix. The Department of Transport predicts 80% or 50% growth in traffic by 2040 and 80% growth in congestion. Looking at the existing amount of traffic and the existing maintenance backlog, which is fairly sizable, it's about 50% of its design life, and the road maintenance backlog is over 10 billion according to public sources in the UK alone. The strain for infrastructure maintenance is going to be massive going forward, and anything that can save time of closure and through that socio-economic and even possibly direct costs will be in great demand. It is a global problem, especially in developed Western economies, but also in the growing future economies. Anything that reduces maintenance downtime of infrastructure assets will be in great demand. And that is where Geobear is specializing through collection of big data and implementing non-disruptive solutions in real time to infrastructure needs. Problems with unknown holes in the ground, water, dynamic loading, traditionally require various types of solutions that involve closing the infrastructure asset, road or rail or a building, for a period of time while the repair is being conducted. The difference that Geobear offers is to conduct the same repair with no closure or with minimal closure of the asset. On average, compared to traditional methods, the Geobear solution can deliver 3 times faster ground engineering solution. Direct cost savings in the fact that our program times are 3 times or more shorter. We have less plant, less people on site. It's a more value-adding solution, so the direct cost saving, depending on application, can be achieved. However, the bigger cost saving is in the indirect cost saving, business interruption, socio-economic costs. We did an example in a case that we delivered for Highways England, in the UK for a piece of motorway in which we treated about 1,200 square meters of road with voiding caused by water, heavy rains underneath in a danger to collapse. Our nighttime treatment took 3 weeks, 21 days, and the alternative would have been to mass excavate and replace the road with duration of 9 weeks. Socio-economic saving was calculated based on the amount of 40,000 vehicles per day that would use that part of the road, having to take extra 20-minute journey and putting a value for that time. 6 weeks difference would have been around £15 million worth for those road users. So using the less disruptive solution created a £15 million indirect socio-economic saving. We have done, as our company, tens of thousands of residential jobs since 1983, thousands of commercial jobs, and a significant amount of infrastructure work on road and rail, including but not limited to Heathrow Airport, Gatwick Airport, Luton Airport, Highways England, Network Rail, Tier 1 contractors in UK, highway maintenance, rail maintenance, utilities contractors, major industrial and commercial property owners such as Ishang, Metro, Hela, ThyssenKrupp, just to mention a few over the years. We are in the business of solving practical problems and keeping the world running by doing that. It's for a customer to choose the party to rectify the problem that they have with their foundation, whether it's a building or infrastructure, largely boils down to trust. How do I know that these people do what they say they're gonna do? So that is our main emphasis, is integrity, doing what we say we're gonna do. And the biggest greeting would be big gratitude to everyone that has given us the opportunity, because we are a growing company, still not a big Skanska size contractor, to show what we can do. So really thank you for trusting us, and it's our job to fulfill the expectations and do exactly as we have said. Or if there is a change, then promptly inform and agree on the way forward, so that it's predictable, cost-effective, transparent, long-lasting, and environmentally friendly. So thank you. That would be the key message.